Good evening. This is Friday evening, September 18th, and I want to give you a little bit of an update on the construction project. Something really big happened today, and that is the steel workers came and they unloaded a whole load of steel beams. So let's just take a look at those. These things are pretty impressive right here behind me. So these will be, I think the plan is, we'll be going in starting Monday morning. If you're really interested in seeing this all happen, you might give the office a call on Monday morning in case you want to come and watch them. But the crane is going to be here Monday, so I don't know if it'll be here first thing Monday or not, but just go ahead and give us a call Monday morning and we'll do our best to keep you informed. Usually the staff is here on Monday morning having a staff meeting. Now we're going to go in this door here, number 6. And you're going to see that our food pantry is still in operation. It looks like we're kind of down on the farm in here. We've got some great big gourds and this, that, and the other. So things are still coming in and things are going out. And I want you to see, this is the old office area. The workroom is being cleared out. It probably needs to be cleared out by sometime on Monday. This is Paula's old office. And this is Matt's old office, and already they've poked a hole through that because that's where a hallway is going to be. So it's kind of nice to get our bearings on that. Over here in this part of the building, you see the plastic setup. We're trying to keep the dust down as much as we can. It's kind of a never-ending job. But going on through this way, this is the old military room where we did a lot of good ministry for our men and women in the service. You can see these giant openings that we have here now, and that's going to really be nice when we start having events in this area that we're calling the living room. The scaffolding is here. They're getting HVAC set up. There's going to be false ceiling up there, but it's going to be pretty high ceiling nonetheless. Moving along here, we see quite a bit of work that's been done in the kitchen. So some of the cabinets are in, at least the lowers are in, and you can get an idea of what those are going to look like. So those of you that are especially interested in the kitchen. I usually am interested in what the kitchen produces. And woohoo, look at these cabinets. Paul's area is coming along, aside from that ladder there. And Ben is making a pretty big splash in his office. I think I need to show you this. Okay, yeah, those are some pretty cool banners. This really looks like a children's minister's office, doesn't it? This is exactly the way it's supposed to be. Now you've seen the other offices, but I'll just real briefly show you this little spot again. This is almost complete. Paula's work area. Still a lot of stuff to come over from the other side. And same goes for in here. All right, that's it for tonight. God bless you. Have a great weekend. I understand it's going to be like one of the most beautiful fall weekends that we could have. Hopefully I'll see you in church on Sunday. God bless. Bye.